before we go on to the recipe of this teriyaki sauce and grilled chicken, do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel Chef Prasad Creations and hit on the bell icon for new more recipes and update. Keep watching. Do share your love with the channel. Thank you very much. Let's begin our recipe. So welcome to Chef Prasad Creations and this is Chef Prasad. Today we are going to make a oriental or Japanese dish, grilled chicken and broccoli with teriyaki sauce. So teriyaki sauce is a Japanese sauce. Quick, easy, simple, tasty. So let's begin our recipe. So I've taken a saucepan directly, or you can take a pan or any shallow pan, and then to it I'm going to add one equal quantity of ginger and garlic chopped together in a small bowl. So just put it. This is how they should be chopped or minced. Then to it we'll add a pepper, which is approximately 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, vinegar at least 50 ml, which means 3 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons honey, you can also put brown sugar or regular sugar instead of honey, but usually they in Japanese cuisine or in teriyaki sauce the honey is used. Then soya sauce, which is approximately 50 ml or 3 tablespoons. To make it little spicy, I'm just going to add few chili flakes, like a pinch, not too much. You can add according to your preference. And that's all. We are going to stir everything together. Mix it. Full of water. And everything will go on the flame. Stir it. Isn't it looking gorgeous? So these are the simple Japanese sauce, teriyaki sauce, and it's easy, quick, simple. You can make and keep it in your fridge and use it as and when required. So you see that the sauce is almost bubbling. You can have a look. So this is the time to add a cornstarch or a slurry of cornstarch, where I have used corn flour 1 tablespoon and water equal to it. And then when it's bubbling, they are already cooked. And then we'll add the slurry. Mix it. It is also getting thick. That's it, our sauce is ready. So this is how the teriyaki sauce can be made. As I said before, chicken is already marinated for half an hour with salt, pepper, ginger, garlic and vinegar. That's all. So let's start. So the pan is really very hot, as it should be, and not with too much oil. Now as you can see, it's a very healthy dish. So the health conscious people can always go for this dish. Teriyaki sauce is with zero oil, no oil at all. We are just putting little bit of oil to grill the chicken. So you can see I have just used a teaspoon of oil. That should be enough. Pan should be very hot. Chicken should be marinated for 30 minutes and let the magic begin. You can have a look. Let this chicken cook for one side, then we will just flip to the other one. Wow, look at the color. So this is how the chicken should be grilled. Perfect. If you marinate in advance for at least 30 minutes, it will not take long time to cook. So marinate it and then cook it at high flame, and this is what the result you will get. So you can see and have a look at the chicken, which has got nice brown color. And if you cook with minimum oil, this is what the result you will get. A restaurant style or hotel style grilled chicken. So now to this, just to make it more sure and let it cook for further, we will just add a small quantity of water. Just a tablespoon. Swirl it. It will also add nice flavor to the chicken. And also it will get cooked faster. So let this water get absorbed and our chicken is ready to go. Chicken is ready. You just take it out in the plate And I'm using a spatula so that we can clean everything. So look at the gorgeous color and the sizzling sound. Chicken is grilled now. Time for broccoli and carrot. So I've already blanched the florets of broccoli and carrots, and there is a stem of broccoli. I never throw the stem of broccoli. I peel and cut into big pieces. It goes very well with the Asian cuisine or stir fry or salad. So the pan is hot. Same method the way we grill chicken, but broccoli will not take more time. So just small amount of oil, a teaspoon, and I'm going to put a broccoli which is half cooked, already blanched. Some broccoli stem and carrot. Then to it I will mix salt and pepper together and sprinkle little bit on top as per the taste and leave it. So same technique, we will char the broccoli or grill the broccoli nicely until it gets color, not to turn frequently. That's the secret. Then just, wow, fantastic. So let it char nicely. Lovely.